There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Durango Hemi Orange in Diamond Black Crystal. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO front brakes, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 58,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, forged carbon fiber interior accents, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7667.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.